Good days. Today we're going to do a tutorial on how to create a how to encode your data in SPSS so that you can run it or you can transfer it to run it in SPSS or other ethical software, but mostly SPSS. So for example, if you have the following, and say usually this is one of the variables of a student. So we have age. Usually they have range for this one. So let's say we have 5 to 10 years old, 7 to 15, 16 to 20. So that's an example. And for example, you have a Likert scale. So agree, disagree, strongly agree, strongly disagree, this is question 1, question 2, and question 3. So you have to add here, let's say we have to put legend usually here, or you can add it on top. So here, 1 for female, or 1 for male, plus 2 for female, or 2 for male. You know, depends on you for your data set. This is 1 for 5 to 10 years old, 2 for 11 to 15 years old, was 3 for 16 to 20 years old. And you have for your Likert scale, you have 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for agree, and 4 for strongly agree. Since this is your data, so you have to transform this one. So if you're here, you have a find and replace here. So find and replace. So that's a specific range. And find, let's say, female rather, and replace with 1. A specific range. Match entire cell contents, replace all. And so that's done. And then again, find and replace. Then you have find male and place with 2. And match entire cell contents, replace all. Okay, so these are now your data. And then for this one, find and replace, and replace with 1. Okay, then find 11 to 15 years old, just replace with 2, and 16 to 20 years old, replace with 3. So this is now your data. And then for this one, since it's a Likert scale, you can simply have, I'll start with 4. Let's have that one as strongly agree, and replace with 4. have strongly disagree, and then place that one into 1. That's all. And then we have disagree, and replace that one with 2. So we have finally agree, and then replace that with 3. And this is now your data. So you can now encode this data in your SPSS to run. Thank you very much.